Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackanon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to obtain the values of the columns in our data frame in Pandas using Python. So let's get started. So first things first is what I've done is I've imported Pandas and I've created a simple data frame, and let me print the data frame and show you what it's exactly. So it's a data frame of columns A, B, C having a range of rows from 0 to 4, and I've currently just placed in a character of X for the values, and now we're going to see how to avail the columns. Let's say if we get the input from the user of a data frame and we want to know the names of columns, that is the time this method is pretty useful. So let's see how we do that. So now to print in the columns, all we've got to do is say data frame dot columns dot values, and that's it. And as you can see, we get a list of the columns present inside the output window. Another weird syntax is also creating a Python list, and within that placing an asterisk and then writing the name of the data frame, that is its variable df. And if I run this, it brings in the absolute same variable. It brings in the same Python list with the columns as the values placed inside the list. So I hope you found this video helpful. If this video helped you, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackanon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.